Question number 5. 16 glass spheres, each of radius 2 centimeter, are packed in a cuboidal box of internal dimensions 16 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and then the box is filled with water. Find the volume of the water filled in the box. Given dimensions is equal to 16 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. That is, volume is equal to 16 into 8 8 are 64 centimeter cube. 64 into 16. 16 4s are 64. 6 carry. 16 6 are 96. 96 plus 6 is equal to 102. Volume is equal to 1024 centimeter cube. And sphere. Radius of sphere is equal to 2 centimeter. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. That is 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 centimeter cube, which implies 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 32 into 22, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 6, that is 407. 704 upon 7 3s are 21 centimeter cube. Volume of 16 glass spheres equal to 16 multiplied by 704 upon 21. 704 into 16. 16 4s are 64 and 16 7s are 112. That is equal to 11264 upon 21. 11264 divided by 21. 21 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. That is 105. 7 21 3s are 63. 13 4. 21 6s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 1 2 6. 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8.0. 3s are 63, 17, and 21 multiplied by 8, 168 approx. Centimeter cube, which implies 536.38 centimeter cube. Find the volume of water filled in the box. So, volume of water is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 16 glass sphere, that is equal to 1024 minus 536.38 centimeter cube, which implies 1024 minus 536.38 2 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 8 and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. That is 487.6 centimeter cube approx. Answer. Given dimensions are 16 centimeter cross 8 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, that is volume of cuboid is L into B into H. 8 8s are 64 into 16 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to 1024 centimeter cube, and radius of sphere is 2 centimeter. So volume of sphere equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 into 22/7 into 2 into 2 into 2 centimeter cube, that is equal to 2 2 jar 4 2 jar 8, 8 4 jar 32, and 32 multiplied by 22, that is 704/21 centimeter cube. Volume of 16 glass spheres multiplied by 16. 16 into 704, that is equal to 11,264 divided by 21. 7 3s are 21. So 11,264 divided by 21, we get 536.38 centimeter cube. And we find the volume of water, that is volume of cuboid minus volume of 16 glass spheres. Volume of cuboid is equal to 1024 minus volume of 16 glass of sphere is equal to 536.38. We get 487.6 centimeter cube approx. Answer. Question number 6. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter that the hemisphere can have? Also find the surface area of the solid. Given as of cubical block is equal to 7 centimeter. diameter of hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter and radius of hemisphere equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter, half of diameter. Surface area of Q equal to 6 into side square, that is 7. That is equal to 6 into 7 raised to power 2 centimeter square, which implies 6 multiplied by 49 centimeter square. 49 into 6, 9 6 are 54. 5 carry, 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. So surface area of Q equal to 294 centimeter square. And surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. This is cancel. 2 is cancel. 2 1s are 2 and 11 2s are 22. We get 70 centimeter square, which implies 11 into 7 is 77 centimeter square. Surface area of base of hemisphere, that is equal to pi r square, and 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 is cancelled and 11 2s are 22 centimeter square, which implies 77 upon 2 centimeter square is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Its area of base of hemisphere, that is area of circle. What is the greatest diameter? Greatest diameter is 7 centimeter. And also find the surface area of solid. Surface area of solid is equal to surface area of Q, that is 294, plus surface area of hemisphere, that is 77, minus surface area of base of hemisphere, that is 38.5 centimeter square. Two 94 into 7 plus 77 is equal to 7 plus 4 11, 17 3 371 minus 38.5, that is 5, and 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 3. So we get surface area of solid is equal to 3 332.5 centimeter square. Answer. Given as of cubical block 7 centimeter, its diameter of hemisphere and radius of hemisphere is half of diameter, that is 7/2 centimeter. Surface area of cube equal to 6 side square. 6 total surface area of cube is 6 into side square. 6 into 7 square, that is 49 into 6 centimeter square, is equal to 294 centimeter square. And surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22/7 pi into radius is 7/2 into 7/2. This is cancel, and 2 11 2 are 22, 7 7 is cancel, and we get 77 centimeter square. Surface area of base of hemisphere, that is area of circle, pi r square. Pi is 22/7, radius is 7/2 into 7/2. This is cancel, and 11 2 are 22. So 77 divided by 2 centimeter square, we get 38.5 centimeter square. And surface area of solid equal to total surface area of cube plus surface area of hemisphere minus surface area of base of hemisphere, that is 38.5. Their sum is equal to 371 minus 38.5, so we get 332.5 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 7. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid. If the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base of radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Given height of cylinder equal to 10 centimeter. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. We find total surface area of the article, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere. That is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square into 2, 4 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, in bracket h plus 2r, that is 2 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 3.5, that is 35/10. Height is 10 plus 2 into r is 3.5. 3.5 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 7.0. And 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 2 is cancelled, and we get 22 into 17. 22 into 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are 34. 34 plus 3, 37 centimeter square. total surface area of the article equal to 374 centimeter square. Answer. Given height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeter. Total surface area of the article, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH and curved surface area of two hemisphere is 2 into 2 pi r square, that is 4 pi r square, and taking common 2 pi r in bracket h plus 2r. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5, that is 35 upon 10. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. That is 22 into 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 2 into 3.5 is equal to 7 and 10 plus 7 is 17. 22 multiplied by 17 is equal to 374. So total surface area of the article is equal to 374 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 8. From a solid wooden cylinder of height 28 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, two conical cavities are hollowed out. The diameters of the cones are also 6 centimeter and height is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. Given height of cylinder is equal to 28 centimeter and diameter of cylinder equal to 6 centimeter, then radius equal to 6 upon 2, that is 3 centimeter, half of diameter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is pi, we are taking pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 3 into 3 and height is 28 centimeter cube. 7 4s are 28. Volume of cylinder is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 and 36 into 22, that is 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 2 7, 2 9 7, that is 792 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder equal to 792 centimeter cube. And two cones. The diameters of the cones are also diameter of cones. cone equal to 6 centimeter, then its radius equal to half of diameter, that is 3 centimeter. And height of cone equal to 10.5. Height of cone, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Volume of two cones, that is equal to 2 into 1 upon 3 pi r square h equal to 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3 into 10.5, that is 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3, 105 upon 10, 0.105 upon 10. 3 is cancel, and 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 105, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, which implies we get 22 into 3 into 3, 22 into 9 centimeter cube. 22 into 9, that is equal to 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 centimeter cube. Its volume of two cones. Find the volume of remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones, that is equal to 792 minus 198. 792 198, 4 9 and 5 equal to 594 centimeter cube. Answer. Given height of cylinder is equal to 28 centimeter and diameter of cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. So its radius is equal to 3 centimeter, that is half of diameter. And we know that volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 3 into 3 into height is 28. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, and 36 multiplied by 22, then we get 792 centimeter cube, its volume of cylinder. And diameter of cone is equal to 6 centimeter. Diameter of cone, that is equal to 6 centimeter, and its radius is equal to half of diameter, that is 3 centimeter. Volume of two cones. volume of two cones is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of two cones equal to 2 times of 1 upon 3 pi r square h. That is 2 upon 3 into pi. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 3 into 3 into height is 10.5 centimeter. So 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 into 105 upon 10. 7 1s are 7, 15 7s are 105, and 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 22 into 9. 22 into 9 centimeter cube, we get 198 centimeter cube. Its volume of two cones. And we find the volume of the remaining solid, that is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. Volume of cylinder is equal to 792 centimeter cube minus volume of two cones equal to 198 centimeter cube. So 792 minus 198, we get 594 centimeter cube answer. Thank you.